In this course, you will learn quick tips on how to craft a killer cover letter. Tip number 1, don't just repeat information from your resume on the cover letter. Give the reader a reason to read it. Focus on the reasons why you're a great fit for the specific position. Number 2, address the cover letter to a specific person, not to whom it may concern. 10 or 15 years ago, it was difficult to find a hiring manager's name, but today, between Google, LinkedIn, company websites, you should be able to secure the specific individual's name and their job title with a quick search, and maybe just one follow-up phone call. Number 3, make sure your cover letter is employer-focused and not you-focused. We talk about this a lot in the resume series. It's not about what you want, it's about how you can add value to the prospective employer. Number 4, show, don't tell. Just like on the resume, don't use cliches to describe yourself and your work. Let your accomplishments do the talking. Instead of saying results-oriented, showcase the results you've achieved. Use specific dollar amounts, percentages, and other numbers to quantify those accomplishments. Number 5, the cover letter is an opportunity to bring attention to older experience on your resume that may be relevant to the job you're seeking, but not easily found as it's on the latter page, usually page number 2 of your actual resume. Number 6, you can also use the cover letter to highlight work experience that would be a substitute for education requested in a job posting. You may also highlight training or classes that have prepared you for the work being done. Number 7, do not include your photo on the cover letter. And it doesn't belong on your resume either, but you absolutely need a great photo on LinkedIn. And number 8, stand out. Don't just apply for a position. Your cover letter and resume may never make it out of the ATS software. If you apply online, you need to follow up with a hard copy of your resume and cover letter, either mailed or dropped off to the company, email an e-note and a resume to the hiring manager. Do something to make sure those documents are being seen by a human being. Thanks so much for joining us. Visit our blog to access the Learning Library and free downloads.